Hello, this is Dr. Emre Karadeniz from Turkey, hair transplant surgeon. And there's a question that I frequently encounter, and I'm going to try and answer that now. Do you give guarantee for your hair transplants? Now, we have to understand a few things. Hair transplants are service. And within the service, we do permanent changes on the human body that cannot be replaced or taken back. So we remove tissue, we move it to another place permanently. And if we waste some of those tissues, these are permanently gone. So, I'm trying to say that in this type of service, it is not possible to talk about guarantee. Guarantee is something you can talk about, or warranty is something you can talk about when you buy electronic instruments. For instance, if I buy a mobile phone, and if this mobile phone doesn't work, I can change this in its warranty period. So this guarantee or warranty. It can be fully replaced with a new one with the same specifics. If I have a car, if a problem occurs, the service can fix the problem within the warranty and the problem can be fixed for good. Now, when we have a hair transplant, if something bad happens, if this hair transplant fails or it gives an unnatural result or donor hairs are wasted, this is permanent and you can't take it back. So this is why even if we wanted to, we would not be able to give guarantee in hair transplants. In other words, even if we did give guarantee, it would have no value. Now, I've seen many patients who've had a poor hair transplant, a poor result, with an unnatural appearance, poor growth, donor depletion, hairs wasted, scarring, that have a guarantee paper in their hands that were given by the clinic. And they're asking for help. How can this problem be solved? And I've asked them oftentimes, okay, so you received this guarantee certificate. What are you supposed to do with this guarantee certificate? I mean, how are you going to take back what happened? How are you bring back the lost hairs? This is not possible. So I'm trying to say that guarantee in hair transplant procedures, it doesn't work. It has no value. In fact, I find it quite unethical that clinics offer this type of guarantee certificate because, first of all, there's no law behind it. So, for instance, if you get a poor hair transplant and you take that guarantee certificate, you can't use it to go to court. It's not evidence or anything. It's not like the warranties you're giving by companies when you buy an electronic instrument. So it doesn't protect you against any lawsuit or anything. And second is that even if it did, you would be only looking for financial compensation because it's not possible to fix that problem or revert back what happened. So what do? We never give guarantee certificates. What we do is we take care of our patients. That means we do the best possible transplant. Then we follow up. So we follow up until we see the results or we hear from the patient. And then what we do is we accept responsibility. So this is what I use. I use responsibility instead of guarantee. Responsibility means that we feel fully responsible for what we've done and the results. So in case a problem occurs, we will make every effort to solve this problem. If it's going to be fixed with another surgery, we will do another surgery for free. If we can't fix it, we'll accept it, we'll give the patients money back. But this is not a written agreement, this type of certificates don't help. It's my personal decision that I say, I feel responsible for what I do to my patients. And so my word is much more important than a piece of paper that doesn't even have any signature or official, anything official. So this is what I'm trying to, in summary, question, do we give guarantee for our hair transplants? The answer is no. We don't have guarantee. We have responsibility. We feel responsible for what we do, which means we're not going to disappear if a problem occurs. We're going to be there to solve it. So I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching it. I hope to see you in the next educational video. Goodbye for now.